under normal circumstances, CBK normally issues the Treasury bond prospectus the previous month, like now in April, for an auction that is to take place in May. And this month we saw a little bit of a change in that, where a prospectus was released in April, and there were 3 papers which were supposed to be an auction, and 2 papers had already been auctioned on 30th April. And the third one is due for auction on 7th May. So in other words, last month CBK released a prospectus for 3 Treasury bonds, and out of these 3 Treasury bonds, 2 bonds, the deadline for bidding for 2 papers, which interestingly had the highest coupons, already lapsed. It was on 30th April. That was the last day of last month. And then this month's auction, we are having 1 paper, the FXD1 2012-20, which was a 20-year paper issued in the year 2012. Now we're in 2025, so it was issued in the year 2012, meaning that it's supposed to be running for 20 years from the year 2012 up to its maturity. So from now, since we're in 2025, it now has 7.6 years to maturity. That is when it was meant to mature. It's maturing in the year 2032. Now, this paper had a coupon rate of 12%, and because it's a paper that is longer than 10 years, it has a tax rate of 10%. The net coupon on this paper is 10.8%. So if you invest 100,000 shillings, you'll be receiving 10,800 every year, meaning that every 6 months you'll be receiving 5,400 on your 100,000 investment, right? So like I told you before, people invest in Treasury bonds to meet different objectives, specific objectives. Now, whether this paper is ideal for you or not will entirely depend on your objective. However, remember I had told you that if you hold a high coupon paper, it's possible for you to dispose that high coupon paper and invest in this lower coupon paper, and you will actually earn more than you are currently earning in your high coupon paper. How is that possible? I had explained, I had done a detailed video on that. Please have a look at this video. It's in this video I had done for you guys calculations as to how you can convert your 18% coupon paper or 16% coupon paper. You can offload it and then take these low coupon papers, the 12% coupon papers, and you potentially earn more as opposed to holding on to the 18% coupon paper. What I did not disclose in that video is that taking this 12% coupon paper is actually going to earn you more than I demonstrated on that video. Why? Because this is likely to be sold at a discount. So that discount that you are getting from CBK adds on to the surplus that you'll be earning on your investment, right? Please have a look at this video. I'm going to put a link in the comment section. Have a look at this video so that you can have a good understanding on what I mean by offloading some of your high coupon papers and taking the low coupon papers when the interest rates are low is potentially going to accelerate your wealth growth, or is going to earn you more. Certainly, it's going to earn you more. Please have a look at that video, right? Now, on this specific paper, like I have said, the deadline for bidding is on 7th May and the settlement date is on 12th May. This paper also gives us a perfect opportunity to understand the element of accrued interest. What's accrued interest in bonds investment? Accrued interest is interest that the paper has earned from the last time CBK paid coupon on that paper up to the time when you're remitting money to CBK. For instance, this FXD1 2012-20 pays coupons in the month of May and November. For those who had invested in 2012, they will be receiving their interest or their coupon on 12th May. Now that it has been reopened for those who will be investing in it now, those of us who will be taking up this paper now, or those of you who will be taking up this paper now, you'll be remitting your money to CBK on 12th May. So from 12th May, when is the next, which is the next coupon payment? And 12th May, which is the same date that you'll be remitting your payment to CBK, no interest will have accrued. So if you put your bid for 100,000, and then you're given a discount, there will be no accrued interest earned onto this account. So that is ideally. So I wasn't actually going to review these videos, but I noticed that the element of accrued interest has come out so perfectly in this month's auctions. That's why I've decided to do it here. This paper, there is no accrued interest. Why? Because there's no accrued interest. We are submitting our papers, we are remitting our payment on 12th May, and that is the day when CBK is paying existing investors coupons on 12th May. So there would be no accrued interest. I mean, there's no additional accrual of interest on that 12th May because all the accrued interest will have been paid out to the existing investors. Now, when you remit your money to CBK on 12th May, you will start accruing interest on the date of your remittance, 12th May, up to the next interest payment date. All right? If you have any questions, leave me a comment in the comment section, and let's meet on the next video.